The mirror I'd been waiting for came broken. Yeah, chipped, right in a really noticeable spot. I picked it out myself in the store, chose it carefully, and had it shipped home. But now, all I see is that chip. Every time I look in the mirror, I'd notice it. Every single day. I should just throw it away. Nope, I can't buy a new one. Throw it away and get another. No money. Every time I look at it, that chip screams, "I'm broken!" And it's not just a tiny crack. It's there, staring at me, reminding me I spent money on something that doesn't even work properly. It's ugly. How am I supposed to see myself in this? It distracts me. It annoys me. Who said this was beautiful? The store? The designer? And the worst part? You can't even use it. Want to check your reflection? Forget it. The chip takes all the attention. Yeah, you wanted beauty and perfection? Here, you get this. We get this because perfection doesn't exist. But maybe that's okay. Sometimes it's really better this way.